GEM Terminal Industry Company Limited was established in 1977 under the guidance of the founder, Duan Li Su, the general manager, Duan Ren Su, and current president, Zhong Hong Su. GEM has developed in the specialized field of terminals. Now GEM has set up production bases in Taiwan and Dongguan and Suzhou in China to integrate the important resources between cross-strait and stride forward globalization with mode of global management. It not only has the manufacturing capability with integrated turnkey operation, but also has advanced machinery facilities and capability in molding development with various kinds of products with superior quality, and has gained certificates from many countries so as to effectively provide its customers with satisfactory services, whatever aspects in the scale of operation, development capability, and the precision of its products. GEM has been considered as the best in the trade and has then become the best cooperative partner in its customer's mind. Terminals are metal accessories that can be used to connect both electricity ends and can be widely used in electric appliances, products wiring, or telecom transmitting wiring for electronic and information products. And they can even be extended to downstream application industries, including information, electric machinery, automobiles, and motorcycles, power source plugs, telecommunication, architecture, machinery, measuring instruments, and lamps lighting, as well as others. You can see them everywhere. Terminals are truly small parts, big works. Tiny as a terminal, what it can influence is a product and even the whole system. GEM has dealt with every terminal with attentive attitude and strict making process. From the primary products research and development, GEM has collected a strong technical team and continually accumulated experiences by progressively making information interchange with both domestic and foreign academies and institutes to continue developing the molding and manufacturing of new products, and also assist its customers to develop new products with its experiences more than 30 years. The kinds of terminal are so numerous that they cannot be entirely developed, but under GEM's great effort and in coordination with the overall development of the domestic industries and conforming to the demands from the domestic power line factories, GEM has successfully developed its terminals applied to electric appliance like plugs. GEM's products have already contained the world's 4 major systems and has become the largest plug appliances terminals manufacturer in Asia. In order to satisfy the customer's requirements and to be connected with the market's trend, GEM has made its untiring efforts to continue developing new technology. Besides its terminal products for electric plug terminals, it also produces electronics and communication terminals and electric and motor parts terminals. It has also developed a series of terminals for related peripheral facilities, such as terminal crimping machine, air wire stripper, and so on, and more progressively engaged in the development of ultra-fast flag receptacle and tabs and safety insulated terminal. There are over 1,000 kinds of products, and GEM has gained over 100 patents, both domestically and in foreign countries. The quality, yield rate, production efficiency, and price of terminals, and the integrated production specification have become the major keys for the major electric appliance and electronic products manufacturers to select the terminal suppliers. GEM has the capability of turnkey professional making process, such as production development, mold design and manufacture, strip, stamping molding, plastic injection, automatic lathe, plating, and automatic assembling operation. In the development of plastic molding, GEM has adopted the application of computer-aided engineering analysis software like TopSolid New Product Structural Analysis and Mold Flow Analysis, and Applied Dye dedicated software to the development of stamping molds to enhance the design quality of molds. Therefore, in order to promote the processing precision of molds, GEM has introduced the most precise molds processing facilities, including Moore CNC Jig Grinder, Yazda CNC Jig Borer, and CNC High-Speed Vertical Machining Center, AGI High Precision Wire Cutting, and other high-precision wire cutting system, Washino CNC Profile Grinder, Studer Cylindrical Grinding Machine, Technica Center Hole Grinding Machine, and others. In order to accurately control the quality of molds, GEM has further invested to purchase integrated measuring equipment such as Zeiss CNC Coordinate Measuring Machine, Worth CNC Video Measuring Machine, Taylor Hobson Roundness Measurement, Surface Roughness Measurement, Profile Projector, and stereoscopic zoom microscopes, among others, so as to precisely affirm the size, location, shape, and precision details. In coordination with the development trend of light, thin, and compact electronic products on the making process, GEM has developed toward high speed, high precision, and automatic aspect. Especially in the stamping techniques, GEM has introduced high-speed stamping making process with large capacity with a speed over 1,000 pieces per minute to confront with automatic track winder and automatic packaging machine so as to further promote the machine utilization, to simplify the labor power, and to increase the production efficiency. On the aspect of turning manufacturing process, GEM has adopted the Multistar machine imported from Europe with high-speed cutting-making capability. The capacity of one machine is about 20 to 80 sets of traditional machines. The horizontal-type plastic injection machine, confronting with the automatic pin inserting machine, can avoid the defect of traditional style of one person, one machine. To promote the quality of electroplating, GEM has set up automatic plating line and rolling electroplating production line, together with its emphasis on pollution prevention. It has already built up the purification tank for wastewater and the air pollution prevention facility with a high wastewater recycling rate of 60%, and delivered to the electroplating factory for recycling use, so as to thoroughly implement the tasks of environmental protection and afforesting. In order to promote the production capacity, the machine utilization, and yield rate, GEM is continually enhanced to improve the making process by introducing advanced techniques and automatic production equipment, and progressively carry out the development of each making process equipment, so as to set up the independent capability of making process, like matching its customers' requirements, like the production of non-contact terminals product by product quality, promotion, and cost decrease. And GEM itself has sequentially developed strip welding device, semi-product strip welding device. In order to confront with high-speed injection by developing 6x2 automatic track winder to promote the machine utilization of the equipment, as well as promote production capacity and enhance the overall competitiveness. Besides, GEM has even carried out international labor division by establishing plants in mainland China and introduce ERP system to effectively integrate the resources in each place so as to enhance the elasticity of production and to satisfy customers' requirements. Quality is the key GEM competes with foreign major manufacturers in order to pursue perfect quality. GEM not only demands every operator to fully control the quality, but also has purchased many precise equipments to assist the inspection, including mounting press machine, polishing grinder, Metallurgica microscope, microcomputer desktop tensile strength tester, thermal shock tester, compound environmental tester, vibration testing with agreed chamber, thermotic rising equipment, and tensile strength tester, among others. To achieve the requirement of the EU's RoHS Environmental Protection Instruction, GEM has even increased purchasing ICP OES Heavy Metal Tester, GC-MS Bromide Tester, and UV-VIS spectrophotometers to examine the quality of materials and products. Under each strict inspection of quality control, GEM has passed of ISO 9001 and ISO TS 16949 certificate. Its products have already gained safety certificates of many countries, such as US UL, Canada CSA, UK BSI, Australia SAA, Japan PSE. In the future, GEM shall keep advancing with the establishment of the Safety Standard Isolation Type Plug Terminal in Taiwan, CNS, US NEMA, and China National Standard GB, among others. And now the OBM of GEM Terminals, GEM, has become the symbol of high-quality terminals and also represents the guarantee of the leading techniques, on-time delivery, and superior services. In the future, GEM will keep contacting with foreign manufacturers to grasp the trend and new knowledge and techniques to speed up products development and to promote the production quality and making capacity. GEM highly emphasized on the welfare of its employees from the establishment of restaurants, medical treatment office, and the dormitory. To the advancement of each activity, GEM has thoroughly satisfied the requirements of its employees in their daily life so that they would concentrate to work hard for GEM. In the future, on the overall arrangement, GEM will keep integrating and adjusting to provide its customers with diversified, high-quality products with superior competitiveness, and to progressively expand the marketplace to launch the global markets. Integrate with advanced die technique from Europe to develop new lead frame products. They not only derivative from terminal of contour strips techniques and contour strip surfacing techniques. Its own developed equipment is able to make the process of contour strips to achieve the super thin and average thickness of 0.08 millimeters, which is reached to the international level. In recent years, the countries in the world have actively advanced broadband internet access. Optical communication industry has become the newly rising markets with fast growth in the next era. GEM has grasped its original power cord products, extended to optical communication components products, by introducing the most professional ceramic ferrule techniques of whole plant making process for over 20 years from Europe, to launch into the production of optical communication passive components, and plan to vertically integrate the materials and enhance the competitiveness in optical communication components. Accordingly, from terminals to the equipment, GEM will provide its customers with the most integrated know-how in terminals and diversified solutions. In 1993, there were no integral industry like automobile industries and electronic consuming products. GEM then had decided to involve in producing the power cord terminals required by electric wires and cables trade that had integral industrial development, which has then made GEM the #1 leading manufacturer of AC98 electric plug terminals in Asia. Up to now, mainland China has without doubt become the world manufacturer and the coliseum of each major automobile factory, and is the largest exporter of electronic consuming products. GEM progressively finished establishing the plant in Suzhou in September of 2006. The domestic markets in mainland China of AC98 electric plug terminals have kept growing fast in coordination with the automobile overall industrial development in mainland China. GEM has designed and developed 99 electric and motor parts terminals to match the market requirements. Meanwhile, to match the overall development of electronic consuming products, the act of expanding the development and making of 92 electronics and communication terminals has brought GEM unlimited business opportunities. Through the vertical and horizontal integration of terminal products and industries continually developing new products and production equipment will not only make GEM's products diversified, but also increase its services of higher additional value and will make GEM to accomplish its goals of implementing the enterprise's substantial management and continual growth as well.